The Gixxer SF155.
Kamusta? At welcome sa ating channel ang Motorsiklo PH. Dito ay mapapanood nyo ang iba't ibang klase ng motor, bagong labas o old model man, presyo at lahat ng kailangan mong malaman kapag bibili ka ng motor. Halina at samahan nyo ako na siyasati ng tampok nating motor ngayon.
Here comes the all-new Suzuki Gixxer SF155. From the makers of Hayabusa, the Gixxer SF155 is part of Suzuki's Gixxer lineup, which has been around for years. In naked form, the bike makes total sense as it's practical, comfortable and affordable. Underneath the sharp fairings, the Suzuki Gixxer SF155 packs a 155cc, 4-stroke, single-cylinder, SOHC, fuel-injected engine. It makes 13.9 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute, and 14 Nm of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. That's less power than some scooters, in the same displacement class, which sets the tone for its performance. The bike is built on a steel frame, supported by telescopic front forks, and a monoshock rear suspension. It rolls on a 17-inch wheels, with a 100/80 tire up front, and a 140/60 tire at the rear. This is pretty skinny by sport bike standards, but appropriate for city riding. Stopping power comes from disc brakes on both ends. But no ABS, means you'll have to be a little more careful on aggressive stops. It's perfect for city commuters, who want something engaging, and sporty looking, without the intimidating power of a true sport bike.
Na ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Kung ganoon ay pakiclick naman ang subscribe button dyan sa ibaba at ishare mo na rin, at like. Malaking bagay at tulong na sa ating channel iyon para makagawa pa tayo ng mas marami pang video patungkol sa mga motor. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and you will have a blessing tomorrow. God bless, see you on the next motorcycle video.